So, a package arrived. Let's have a look to see what is inside. Yes. And what have we got here? We've got an Engage Mini Tuff Lite and a Demko Performance First. Let's quickly open them up. So this is a very small one. Yeah. Ooh. Exceptionally cute. So this is a Cold Steel knife and it uses the Atlas lock. Wow, boom. Or is this perhaps a triad lock? No, actually, for a knife this small, this has absolutely great ergonomics. It's not expensive either. It's, what is it, 36 euros for this one? How does that cut? Let's have a look. How does that cut? Well, it cuts a bit rough. It's certainly not... Yeah, see, there it hooks a little bit. But of course, for 36 euros, what can you expect? So at the same time, it does have a very solid lock. 4116, well, 4116 stainless steel. So yeah, okay. Well, you get what you pay for. Still, I'll sharpen this later to see how sharp I can get. But honestly, yeah, I mean, this is an absolutely, yeah, that's absolutely great. All right. Other than that, yes, this is not G10. I think this is just plastic. Well, it's a cool little knife to have on the side. Then we have this Demko one. What was it again? It's the Shark-Cub. Yes, I ordered a cheap Shark-Cub. I don't have a Shark-Cub yet, and I think it's a cool knife. But I also didn't want to break the bank on it, so I actually ordered the cheapest one. Oh, the cheapest one they have available. Yeah, and of course you can tell. Let's see how easy this. Oh, this is actually very smooth. Yeah, this is very smooth. Demko. This is AUS10A. So, well, not a steel anyone will get excited about. Oh, it's so smooth. It's so smooth. So wow. So this is so fidgety. Oof. Yeah, great. Yeah, this is just yeah. You get you've got this choil that lets you keep up. Jimping is lovely. It's absolutely lovely. I've never handled a Shark-Cub before, so I'm actually really rather excited about this one. And I mean, yeah, it's just ergonomics again, very good. Hopla. Yes, okay, very smooth ball bearings. I mean, I'll disassemble this one later. It's also very cute little thing. And then the third one here, this is a Cold Steel again. This one has the Atlas lock, and that's also why I bought it. I don't have an Atlas lock yet, and for my series about locking mechanisms, I thought I would buy an Engage, a simple one, nothing special. So this is, but this thing feels very solid, and also very nice, very smooth, very smooth. I forgot to do the cutting test with this Shark-Cub. Let's see. Feels so good. So definitely better than this one, but I would not say that, well, perfect, it's okay, that's perfectly okay. A bit of tearing there. Across grain, probably not great results still, yeah. Yeah, fair enough. Of course, I can already see. I'll put the blades of this one, especially where it hooked under the microscope, to see what exactly the problem is. See there, that's where we start. See how coarse that is. Well, anyway, so this one is better. We look under the microscope. And on this one, so this is the Atlas lock. See how that works. You pull it and then, yeah, it disengages. Yeah, it's absolutely very light detent, very light detent. So with the Shark lock, I think detent is much better. Yeah, it's a much stronger detent. And this is a Triad lock, so there you would have a very strong detent. Yeah, I mean, it's even machined. It's certainly not machined to perfection, this little knife. So this feels the sharpest of the three. Let's see what steel this is. This is AUS10A as well. Yeah. So yeah, this is a lovely little knife. I think it's not even small. So let's size them up. Voila, this is my Demko 20.5. Now, of course, everyone knows the Shark-Cub. And then this Engage is slightly bigger. It's pretty much in between here. And this one is absolutely cute and small. Let's compare that to the Dragonfly. Yes, this is even smaller than the Dragonfly. And the Dragonfly is a very, very small knife. Voila. Let's put the Deliqua in between. Yeah, very nice. Let's quickly do the cut test on this Engage with the AUS10. This I don't have much AUS10 steel. This is the first time I'm getting it. Wow, yeah, this is actually pretty good. Yeah, close to the Shark-Cub, I'd say. Yeah. So indeed, with this one here, we will check what the problem is, what is actually going on with that edge. So yeah, I quickly looked under the microscope. Here you see the good part of the edge, and here you see the bad part, and you see the microchipping that's going on there. So this is responsible for the hooks and the tears. So voila, those are the three knives I've ordered. There are three different locking mechanisms. I'm going to use them. I'm going to take them apart to take a look at how those locking mechanisms actually work. Voila, that's it. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. If you don't subscribe as well, you can follow up with one of the other videos here on the screen. See you later.